welcome back to Hikoco's channel.
Hikoco.
I'm pretty sure most of our beauties already have heard of BB cream and are waiting for more BB cream to be stocked in Hikoco. So we have finally expanded our BB cream collection for our beauties who love 2-in-1 Effects Daily Cream. BB cream covers both skincare and makeup. It's both quick and easy to use, making it perfect for those on the go too. BB creams, a staple in K-beauty, is short for blemish balm. It's a skincare-infused base product that evens out your skin tone while providing hydration, sun protection, and more to nourish the skin. Over the Hikoco's top-selling BB cream, which is Misha and Perfect BB cream, these two new arrival BB creams grab our beauty's attention. Mizon Snail Repair Intensive BB cream and Purito Cica Clearing BB cream. After we get so many good feedbacks from our beauties who have tried these two products tester, we have decided to stock them in. Both BB creams that creates a natural base, but what about their finish and coverage? Also, what makes them skin-infused base product? So in today's video, I'll be comparing these two products, Mizon Snail Repair Intensive BB cream and Purito Cica Clearing BB cream. Let's get started. Let's take a look at their similarities. Similarities number 1, medium coverage. With BB creams, they normally have a lighter coverage than foundation. I was actually surprised with the coverage that both Mizon and Purito BB cream offer. These BB cream have a light coverage upon application, but I can definitely build it up to medium coverage. And even when I do, it doesn't look very cakey. It looks very natural and glowy. That easy applies to cover the redness and blemishes. And on the top, both of them comes with a variety of shades that can matches to all the different types of skin tones. Similarities number 2, lasting complexion. I've also noticed that even I wear this one for whole day, it sits and lasts really nicely on my skin. These two products fade and sink into my skin and creates really natural look. And surprisingly, these two products don't oxidize like other foundation, so it doesn't leave my skin darker or dull by the end of the day. And similarities number 3, moisturizing. With skin-infused ingredients found from these two BB creams, it leaves skin very hydrating and moisturizing for a long time. As I mentioned earlier, BB cream covers the skincare step and the makeup step. So I think it's perfect for the dry skin, and if you have a dry patches to cover, you can try this product. And then we've talked about the similarities. What about the differences? Differences number 1, texture. Although both BB creams are super moisturizing, their textures and finishes are quite different. Mizon BB cream has a slightly thicker texture with semi-matte finish, but it is not too thick like other matte finish foundation. I found that it's easy to blend in with a tool like makeup brush or sponge instead of just using fingers. And when you apply, I think you only need a little bit to use on the skin to get an ideal coverage you need. It gives you instant moisture from the main ingredient, Snail mucin extract. And Purito BB cream, it has a much lighter texture, like a watery serum texture, and it instantly blends into the skin and easy to spread evenly with a dewy complexion. And difference number 2, shades. These two BB cream has a different undertone. It has the same number of shades, but it's totally different colors. So I think this video will be really helpful for you before you purchase these products. Let's talk about the Mizon BB cream first. The Mizon BB cream comes in 4 different shades that lean more towards those with warm undertones. So these shades are very similar to what I've tried before from other BB creams or foundation. So it comes with number 21, 23, 27, 31. Some of our beauties always ask us why you don't have the darker shade from your foundation or BB cream. Now we have it from Purito. Purito BB creams have 6 various shades to choose from with neutral or cooler undertones. So it comes with number 13, neutral ivory, number 15, rose ivory, number 21, light beige, number 23, natural beige, number 27, sand beige, number 31, Deep Warm. The Purito BB cream comes with various shades from lightest to darkest, with neutral or cooler undertones, and some of them has got very grey undertone. Even I used same number 21 from Purito and a Mizon, the color were totally different. So I found out the Purito shades are slightly darker than the Mizon one. For example, if you are currently using number 21 foundation or the cushion foundation or BB cream from other brands, you can try 21 from Mizon, but I recommend you to try number 15 from Purito BB cream. You can always mix the colors to match your skin tones. And difference number 3, ingredients. The major differences between these two products are the main ingredients. Each BB cream contains the different main ingredients that will benefit various skin type and even specific skin concern. Let's have a look at the Mizon Snail Repair Intensive BB cream first. Just from the name, I can tell that the main ingredient is snail mucin extract. Snail mucin extract is actually the first ingredient on the list instead of glycerin or water. This means this BB cream contains more snail mucin extract than any other ingredient, so your skin can really reap in the benefits that snail mucin extract has. I think you've already know how snail mucin is beneficial for your skin. To be briefly about the snail mucin ingredient, it helps to speed up the cell renewal that makes your skin texture smoother and glowy. And the snail mucin is a must-have ingredient for hydrating the skin that prevent the water loss, and it has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties that soothe irritation. I've already talked about the snail mucin extract in the previous ingredients breakdown video, so if you want to know more about this ingredient, please click the link above. And let's move on to the Purito Cica Clearing BB Cream. As you can see from the name of this product, it contains the Cica, also known as the Centella acetica. This is the key ingredient to soothe and calm the skin. And on the top, there is ingredient allantoin and panthenol to help to strengthen the skin barrier and keep all the moisture into the skin. And there is another key ingredient, niacinamide, to help your skin hydrate plus brightening. This BB cream doesn't contain the artificial fragrance or essential oils. To summarize, with various types of ingredients that these two BB creams contain, I can say that they are great for different skin types. I would suggest the Mizon Snail Repair Intensive BB Cream to oily acne-prone skin types due to its skin healing properties, and the Purito Cica Clearing BB Cream for those who has got the sensitive skin, as it has plenty of ingredients that can help strengthen your skin barrier. I think these two products are perfect for sensitive skin and even for the irritated skin. So this is the end of today's video, and I hope our beauties to find out this video helpful to choose the right shade and right product for their skin. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, bye beauties, let's be pretty!